to a new video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a DIY kite. So first up, you're going to need a bag like this. You're going to need, well, we're making two kites today. You're going to need some scissors. You're going to need some type of string or ribbon. And you're going to need a PVC pipe cup. I have no idea. So, what you want to start off with, we're going to do the first one is the bag plane, and this is how you do it. So you unwind a bunch of string. Ooh, that's pretty. And then you cut it like this. And then you take your bag, and then you loop the thing through, and then you do a simple knot where it's like, oh no. So yeah, and then here we go, you have the simple knot. You like to do 2/8. You do like this twice. You pull it then like this, and you got some knot. But we're gonna move on. This is a simple kite. That's a simple kite. Okay, we made the bag kite. And now we're going to make the cup kite. For the cup kite, you're going to need this and this to start off. So to start off, you want to cut the cup 90 degrees on each angle. I think this is 90 degrees. And you want to make flaps. So the flaps propel the wind so that your cup can fly. Like this. And then you want to expand them out. And then what you want to do is you want to grab some string, pull it, and then go like this, and then snap. After it's snapped, grab your cup again, and then what you want to do is like feed. Wait, I gotta check this one more time. What you want to do is feed the thing through each of them, and then you got the cup kite, which is very simple. It's just this. I think it flies. Yeah, see? It flies. Okay. Bye, guys. See you in the next video. This might have been a bad video, but bye-bye. Have a fantastic rest of your day.